To get started, we are going to go find this document. In our Schoology page, we'll go to class number 9, and at the bottom, we're going to download the updated ChatGPT versus Google cheat sheet. I've updated it to be as helpful as possible to you. Right here, what you're going to do is click on it, and it should automatically download. If for whatever reason it looks like this, you will click on this downward arrow, and that will download it. Then just click the file to open it. We're not going to save it. We are going to add it to our notes. So right now we have 3 pages. In order to select the pages, normally you take your mouse and you would just try to pick the front and then try to move your mouse slowly down, but this is not it takes a while. The easiest way to do it is to use the keyboard shortcut known as the Select All, which is Control plus A. So in this Word document, we're just going to click anywhere in the page, because if I do Control A, nothing happens. But if I click literally anywhere, now Control A, everything from all the pages have been selected. Really easy. Control A. Then you're going to copy it with Control C to copy, Control C to copy. And finally, we will go over to the class notes page, which is our notes, and we're simply going to date our notes, which you can either start by just looking at the bottom right where it says 9/27, 9/27, or there's even a fun little feature. If you go to Insert, there is date and time, and we can click OK. Perfect. Okay, so we've inserted the date. Then we're going to Control V, paste all of our notes in there, and now you have a cheat sheet full of notes. This is all of the search rules for ChatGPT, Google, and when to use them combined. I even added in some scavenger hunt links. So, for example, how do you make hard-boiled eggs? You'll see this is highlighted, and it says Control-click to follow the link. Hold Control and click on this, and it will take you over to a ChatGPT chat that I had, showing you not just the original sentence, but an additional sentence that makes it a little bit more formatted and optimal. So this is an example of how I would ask this question to ChatGPT, and you can even continue this conversation and chat with it and say something if you're curious to learn more about it. But the ultimate goal is get this in your notes. Now that it's in your notes, this is where the magic happens. You're going to go and you're going to select all of your notes with Control A. You're going to copy all of your notes with Control C, and you're going to go over to ChatGPT, and you are going to paste all of your notes in here, and you're going to add one additional sentence at the end, which is simply going to be, quiz me on this, give one question at a time. That's it. Hit enter, and now you can chat with ChatGPT and study based on what it asks. What is one key reason to use Google search over ChatGPT? YouTube videos. And it will tell you correct or incorrect, and then it will give you another question. You can talk back and forth to get a feel for it. And when should you start? You could even say, I'm not sure. And it will walk you through when to do it. And if you still don't get it, say it. So you can chat to get a feel for how it works. And then when you're ready, and if you understand it, you can ask it, next question, let's review 1 to 3. You can re-go over them. So you can chat with it and learn through chat. It's a fantastic tool, and that's what I want you guys to do. All right, have fun with it.